Every single day, millions of people enjoy a warm cup of tea, but few ever see the massive industrial scale of its creation. Step inside one of the world's most advanced agricultural facilities to see how fresh leaves become a global beverage. This modern mega factory processes tons of raw green tea leaves every hour using highly sophisticated automated machinery. A continuous network of clean stainless steel conveyors moves the product efficiently through distinct processing zones. The industrial journey begins at dawn out in the vast fields, where specialized mechanical harvesters gather fresh green flush. Heavy transport trucks arrive continuously at the factory receiving bays to unload immense bulk containers of fresh leaves. Technicians immediately collect random raw samples from each arrival to verify color, moisture content, and overall freshness. Automated hydraulic lifters tilt the delivery truck beds, gently cascading thousands of pounds of green leaves onto receiving grids. Underneath the grates, heavy-duty industrial belts transport the massive volume of incoming vegetation directly into the facility. The raw green leaves are distributed evenly across immense steel withering troughs spanning the entire width of the room. Massive fans located beneath the troughs blow continuous warm air upward through the perforated beds to reduce moisture. Computerized climate control monitoring screens display real-time humidity levels to ensure uniform drying across all batches. As the leaves lose water content over several hours, they soften significantly, becoming perfectly pliable for processing. Automated mechanical scrapers slowly move down the long troughs, pushing the withered leaves toward integrated discharge chutes. The pliable leaves fall onto an underground conveyor system that rapidly transports them up to the main processing floor. Overhead distribution belts route the uniform streams of softened material into a series of large cylindrical hopper units. The withered leaves feed directly into heavy mechanical rolling mills that twist and press the material under high pressure. This intense rolling action ruptures the leaf cell walls, releasing natural juices and essential oils needed for rich flavor. For traditional black tea, the crushed material is spread evenly onto wide, slow-moving fermentation belts in a specialized room. Precise humidifiers maintain a warm, moist atmosphere, causing the green leaf juices to oxidize and turn a deep copper color. Once the oxidation process achieves peak aroma, the damp copper leaves are automatically discharged into a drying chamber. The oxidized tea rides along a multi-tier fluidized bed dryer, where powerful blasts of hot air rapidly stop fermentation. The high-temperature moisture extraction quickly transforms the damp, dark leaves into crisp, shelf-stable black tea particles. The fully dried tea exits the roaring machinery at the bottom, producing a satisfying rustling sound as it gathers in piles. Enclosed vibrating screw conveyors rapidly lift the raw dried product up into a massive high-capacity mechanical sorting zone. The processed tea passes through a series of multi-layered shaking sieves that separate the material by precise particle size. High-speed optical color sorters use advanced camera sensors to blast unwanted stems and light debris out of the falling tea stream. The fully sorted, premium-grade tea particles cascade smoothly into large dedicated storage hoppers labeled by exact quality. Different tea grades are mathematically measured and dropped into a massive rotating drum mixer for uniform commercial blending. Quality control inspectors pull regular samples from the large blending drum to perform strict sensory analysis and brewing tests. The approved, perfectly consistent blend is vacuum transferred through overhead pipes straight to the high-speed packaging hall. Advanced packaging machines rapidly form individual porous filter bags from huge rolls of specialized heat-sealable paper. Micro-dosing dispensers accurately inject the blended tea into each bag before precision ultrasonic sealers close the edges. The machine automatically attaches a cotton string and printed paper brand tag to each individual filter bag at lightning speed. Mechanical arms rapidly pack the finished bags into protective outer foil envelopes and drop them into cardboard retail boxes. Filled boxes pass through an automatic checkweigher and inkjet coder that stamps production expiration dates on the side. An automated case packing machine bundles multiple retail boxes into heavy shipping cartons and seals them with durable tape. Heavy-duty robotic arms lift the heavy cartons, stacking them perfectly onto wooden shipping pallets with flawless precision. Automated guided vehicles transport the loaded pallets across the clean warehouse floor directly to the loading dock bays. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more factory documentaries every week.